What is going on, ladies and gentlemen? Scott Noe here with Noe Lawn Care. And yes, you are looking at it. You are correct. We got the Stihl mini chainsaw GTA26. Of course, this is all what it comes with here. Of course, your saw. You got a nice little carrying case that holds everything for you. Your saw, your charger, oil to go with it, and then your battery, maybe an extra battery if you get one, but it only comes with one when you buy this pack. First impressions of this guy, I really like it. It's going to be very good for our crepe myrtles. Here in North Carolina, we have a lot of customers with crepe myrtles, and trimming them up in the early spring, this thing is perfect for it. You're not lugging around a huge chainsaw. Only thing you're doing is just carrying this guy. I mean, it might weigh maybe about 3 or 4 pounds with the battery on. But yeah, let's go test this girl out and see how she works. Technically, this isn't designed to cut anything this large, but we're just going to try it out. See what it does. You think it'll cut the big one here?
It'll struggle.
It might take a little bit, but it'll probably do it.
Voila.
Sure enough.
Look at this. Covered.
All kinds of little bugs in there. Well, there it is. Stihl GTA26. I think we're okay. Let's see what this thing does. You have your little safety trigger here to be able to hit the button, one on both sides, depending on left-hand, right-handed. If you do not hit that, obviously she's locked, she ain't going nowhere. And there it is. Good thing and bad thing about my property is I keep it well maintained, so there's no low-hanging limbs anywhere. Bad thing is I don't have any limbs to try this out on, so I just stuck out here in the woods and grabbed a couple. But let's see what she does. A hell of a little tool. Stihl has this extra grip here on the back. Technically, you're supposed to use 2 hands on this, but I mean, it's so small. I'm more comfortable using one hand. I feel like I can maneuver it and then get out of the way if I need to. First thing I always like to do with chainsaws, well, with this saw actually, hedge trimmers, anything along that line, grease them up real good. I do it obviously before. Well, it would probably help, Scott, if you took that little seal off in the thing there. Let's do that first. Amazingly, once you do that, this oil comes out like it's supposed to. But yeah, just want to put just a little bit around it. Hit your trigger, move the chain a little bit. I asked my dealer how often to oil up your chain, oil up your hedge trimmer, same thing. He recommends it every time you use it. You know what I mean? Why not? It's probably $3 or $4 for that thing of oil. It keeps everything nice and lubricated, so why not, right? Wanted to quickly go over some specs here. The bar itself is 4 inches long. The battery is a 2.1 amp hour battery. And I was correct, the whole unit weighs 3.1 pounds with the battery, 2.7 without. And what I read said that the runtime is roughly 25 to 30 minutes. And it even comes with a nice little carrying case. You fit everything in there. You got your battery, your oil, your saw there, and then your charger in the back. It's got two hooks here to where if you want to, or 2 holes, excuse me, if you want to hang it up somewhere. But yeah, first impressions, I really like it. Oh, well, you guys can't see it. Let's do this. I really like it. It's a very good tool. It's going to be very nice for us. Not messing with any loppers or anything like that. We can just bring this guy out and just chop it right up. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment. Don't worry about my mess over here. I'm in the middle of organizing. Like, subscribe, comment, and we will see you on the next one.